Imagine this. You're at home, winding down after a long day. The familiar comfort of your living room wrapping around you. The city outside is alive with the gentle hum of evening, but inside, you're focused on the simple routines that make a house a home. You're in Nairobi, where the sun is setting and the sky glows with the last light of day. You're in the kitchen, chopping vegetables, the aroma of dinner filling the air. The clatter of pots and pans mixes with the distant sounds of the city winding down. In the living room, the TV hums softly, casting a warm glow. Children are sprawled on the floor, pencils scratching as they finish their homework. There's laughter, conversation, and a sense of normalcy that feels almost unbreakable. Then, without warning, click. Everything stops. The TV screen goes black, the fridge falls silent, and the lights vanish, plunging your home into sudden darkness. The familiar sounds are replaced by uneasy silence. You check the meter and realize, with a sinking feeling, that your prepaid electricity has run out of credit. Again. It's not the first time, and it probably won't be the last. This isn't just a random blackout caused by the grid. It's a recurring, deeply frustrating disruption that interrupts your life, your plans, and your peace of mind. Across Kenya, this scene is all too familiar. Families eat by candlelight, meals left half-cooked on powerless stoves. Students squint over their books, struggling to study in the dim glow. Work grinds to a halt as laptops and phones lose their charge. And it always seems to happen at the worst possible moment, right when you need electricity the most, when you're least prepared for it. The scramble begins. You search frantically for your Kenya Power token number, hoping your phone's battery will last long enough to buy more credit. Every second feels urgent, every moment in the dark a reminder of how dependent we are on electricity. It's a cycle of anxiety and inconvenience, a routine that feels outdated in a world where technology promises so much more. Why are we still caught off guard by something as basic as electricity? With all the smart devices and innovations around us, why does keeping the lights on still feel like a guessing game? Why do we have to live with this uncertainty? Surely there must be a better, smarter way to manage our electricity, one that brings peace of mind and keeps our homes bright. Let's find out what's possible. Now, picture a different reality. Imagine a home where you never have to worry about the lights suddenly going out, or the frustration of not knowing how much electricity you have left. Instead, you're in control, and your home feels smarter, safer, and more comfortable. No more sudden blackouts, just a small smart device in your home. It sits quietly on your table or shelf, blending into your daily life, but always working in the background to keep you informed and prepared. It's not flashy, but it's powerful. A smart prepaid electricity monitor designed to make your life easier. This device is the heart of your home's energy management, giving you the information you need, right when you need it. Its job? To make sure you're never surprised by a power cut again. It watches over your electricity usage, so you can relax and enjoy your time at home, knowing you're always one step ahead. This device quietly tracks your electricity use and remaining credit. It gives you real-time updates, so you always know exactly how much power you have left and how much you're using each day. When you're running low, it sends a timely alert to your phone. No more guessing, no more surprises, just a simple notification that helps you stay prepared and in control. With just a few taps, you can top up your electricity from anywhere, at any time. The process is quick, convenient, and designed to fit your busy lifestyle. No more frantic searches or last-minute top-ups. You can plan ahead, avoid the stress, and focus on what matters most, spending quality time with your family. You get peace of mind, real, practical peace of mind. The unpredictable becomes predictable, and your home becomes a place of comfort and certainty. You control your electricity, not the other way around. With every update and alert, you're empowered to make smarter choices for your household. Manage your budget, plan your top-ups, and avoid the chaos. The smart monitor helps you save money and time, making your life simpler and more organized. It's simple, affordable, and puts you back in charge. That's real power, the power to live life on your terms, with confidence and ease. So, what does this smart monitor actually do? Let's break down the core features that make it a game changer for your home and your wallet. Imagine having the power to see, understand, and control your electricity use right at your fingertips. First up, real-time monitoring. Instantly see your electricity use live, right on your phone wherever you are. Whether you're at work, out shopping, or relaxing at home, you'll always know exactly how much power you're using at any moment. Turn on the kettle for your morning tea. Watch the spike in usage appear instantly. It's like having X-ray vision for your home's energy flow. Switch on the TV for family movie night. See the steady drain as it happens. You'll start to notice which activities use the most power, helping you make smarter choices every day. Next, token balance alerts. No more surprise blackouts or scrambling to top up at the last minute. The app notifies you before your credit runs out, so you're always prepared. You can even set your own alert level. Choose the threshold that works for your family. No more guesswork, just clear, timely warnings that put you in control. Want to see how your habits add up? Usage history lets you track your consumption over days, weeks, or even months. Compare your usage from one week to the next, or see how your energy use changes with the seasons. Spot patterns, see when you use the most power, and adjust your habits to save more. Maybe you'll notice that laundry day is your biggest energy drain, or that your evening routine could be more efficient. Easy-to-read charts and graphs make all this information clear and simple. Visualize your progress, set goals, and celebrate your savings as you go. Finally, appliance detection. The smart monitor can identify which devices are using the most electricity, so you know exactly where your money is going. That old fridge humming in the corner. Now you know exactly what it's costing you every month. No more guessing which appliances are the culprits. Become your own energy detective. Check your meter, compare notes, and discover new ways to cut down on waste. Make smarter choices, save money, and upgrade appliances when it matters most. Every shilling saved is a step toward a brighter future. And the best part? All these powerful features are packed into one simple, easy-to-use app that fits right in your pocket. That's how you take control of your energy, your budget, and your home, one smart decision at a time. How does it work? No magic, just smart engineering. A sensor clips safely around your main electrical wire, no rewiring needed. It listens to the flow of electricity, turning it into digital data. A microcontroller, think Arduino or ESP32, processes this data. It calculates your usage, tracks your balance, and keeps everything up to date. The device connects to Wi-Fi or GSM, sending info to a secure cloud. You get real-time updates and alerts on your phone or web dashboard. Clean graphs, live numbers, and instant notifications, all from your meter box to your hand. Installation is quick and safe. The result? Seamless, smart energy management. No more surprises. Who benefits? Families, first and foremost. No more homework interrupted or meals ruined, just peace and control. Students and remote workers get reliable power for study and work. Landlords can offer better service, resolve disputes, and manage costs. Small business owners keep their shops running, customers happy, and earnings steady. Everyone gets to plan, save, and avoid the stress of sudden blackouts. It's a win for homes, businesses, and communities. Reliable electricity means more productivity and less worry. That's a brighter future for all. The smart monitor's potential goes beyond homes. Imagine smart streetlights, each reporting its status, reducing downtime and saving energy. Cities could monitor and optimize lighting, cut costs, and boost safety. Utility companies get real-time, anonymized data to manage the grid better. Faster fault detection, smarter load balancing, and improved infrastructure. A network of these devices creates a live map of energy flow. It's a step toward a truly smart, responsive city. The future of energy is connected. The next step, integrating solar power. As more homes go solar, managing both usage and generation becomes crucial. The smart monitor could track solar production, battery storage, and grid use, all in one app. Maximize savings by running appliances during peak sunlight. In off-grid areas, it helps communities manage shared solar resources. Even local energy trading becomes possible. Sell your surplus to a neighbor. With AI, the system could predict solar output and suggest when to charge batteries. Smarter, greener, and more resilient energy for everyone. That's real progress. This device starts as a household helper, but its impact can be national. Mass production and smart partnerships make it affordable and accessible. Community demos and simple pricing help everyone see the value. Aggregated data helps utilities and planners improve the grid. The more devices in use, the better and cheaper they become. The vision? A common-sense tool in every home, not a luxury. And as Kenya leads, other countries can follow. Local innovation, global impact. This isn't just about keeping the lights on, it's about empowerment. Families manage finances, students study uninterrupted, businesses thrive. The smart monitor makes energy visible and understandable. It sparks conversations, encourages conservation, and builds energy literacy. From one home to a whole city, it's a grassroots revolution. Kenya becomes brighter, smarter, and more resilient. The days of sudden darkness become a memory. One small device, one big transformation.